Hey class, so I'd like to go over your assignment, which is the denotative and connotative recipe cards. So the purpose, like we know, is to use typography in both an expressive and functional way for describing our recipes. And we want to be able to control our typography according to meaning and expression. And we also want to utilize the grid and levels of hierarchy. So we're asking ourselves, how many levels of reading are we trying to establish? So we want to do 3 to 4 max. So that's title, subtitle, then we have the body copy, which is our instructions, and we have the ingredients list. And we can also put in a pull quote. That's fine too. So for the directions, we're going to be using a sketch out of the 4 that we have created. So we're going to pick one as a guide to our denotative and connotative recipe card. So we're picking one sketch for denotative and one sketch for connotative. Think about the title, the name of the recipe, the subtitle, body copy, the step-by-step instructions, the pull quote, and how they come together in your layouts according to your concept and recipe. For example, the one that talks about the vegan muffins, there's the shape of a muffin, a tin muffin baking sheet, and then there's also the shape of the cake. So those are all very literal connotative layouts. And then we also want to think about how does that translate to a denotative layout. So more functional typography. And we want to make sure that we are designing our first round of denotative and connotative layouts on the computer using Adobe Illustrator. And we are going to make these into 5x7 recipe cards. You're designing one denotative recipe card and one connotative recipe card. You will not be presenting sketches for this project from now on, only computer-generated layouts, so please work in Adobe Illustrator. The due date is going to be Saturday, October 17th. Upload your assignment to Blackboard. You can do either a vertical or a horizontal layout. It's up to you, depending on what you see fit for your recipe card. And I look forward to seeing what you guys create.